So guys, you know I got a sample of this Nanolink color PPF. This is like a purple. I don't know the specific color of it, but we're gonna test it out. I promised my man I would. Oh man, everybody need one vertical. Oh boy, look at this. Let me do this. Fill it. My slip solution is just JJ in here, guys. It's soapy. So I already prepped the panel, so I prepped everything with grab to make sure everything grab. It does what it says, say what it does. Okay, so this is the panel. Let me take off my ring. Take off my watch too. Okay. So I'm always wiping it with my hand. This is something I do in window tinting. Just this car is prepped and everything, but still, just in case I feel something, you know, there might be some adhesive. Okay, look good to me. I'll go ahead and use my prep and squeegee. Prep. And we're gonna open this. And you know, I highly recommend doing color PPF on a black car. If it's white, usually you just try to pass it, but since we're testing it, we're gonna be okay. And you want your glass station right near you, guys. Is it right here? I'll show you how the color look like. So, you know, I extended the pattern about an inch and a half, making sure it's good. Stain. Grab my squeegee. Which one I want to use? Let's do this one. Okay. And you know, color PPF. You want it to be like the adhesive to be pretty, you know, pretty aggressive. Just all the one I tested, they're not. So. Okay, I was a little off, so that's why I did that. Put some hot water. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hook this, guys, because if you're doing color PPF or matte PPF, you want to make sure you have some tension right here. So just making sure there's tension right there so you can cover that area. Put my hot water, I'm gonna hook it right here. Let's see how it hooks. Booyah! Just like that. Same thing right here. And you know, it was just gloss of matte. So, hooking that. And squeegee with the body line, guys. Yeah. Put some more slip in here. All I did was put JJ in this, 8 milliliter per gallon. It's sticky, which is good. Good thing. I'll make sure everything's covered. Stretch pretty good. Go ahead and put my hot water right here. I wanted to make this hose a little bit longer for the hot water, but if we make it more than 4 feet, it actually lose. So I'm gonna hook it right here. It actually lose the hot water, so you get hot water, and you just hook it just like this, guys, and then squeegee right here. You know what? I'm gonna let this go because I got a little issue right here. You don't want no finger right here. Okay. Same thing right here. Put some hot water to soften it up. Let me see. Let me come on this like that. put some hot water and I'm gonna hook it right here. Hook it right here. You don't want to put too much, just enough. You just want to hug it. I'm gonna cut it right here, guys. Just trying to see how this PPF. So far, so good. Can't see nothing, so you gotta have some squeegee technique. That's why you gotta squeegee with the body line. See right here, body line. Squeegee with the body line. Just overlapping your path. So this BMW actually has a cutout right here. I want to just feed it in. We'll put some clips right here. And see this tension? I'm gonna reduce this tension with just hot water. I'm gonna cut this. This is gonna be good because right here it's gonna just drop the tension, so I'm gonna worry about this later. And so we want to test out how it wraps, guys. Make sure, because you can't really see this, so I'm following everything with my pinky, especially when this video I don't want to, and my pinky is guiding me to do a straight cut. And then we're going to see how it edge wrap, guys. That's like the test. Because of it edge wrap. Okay. Let's go ahead and try to edge wrap it. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna use our hot water. Flush out all the slip. Put our, DI water. I use DI water. It works better than the steel. And then I'm gonna put the outside just to soften up the film, like it's almost like a blanket. You always do your corner first. It's hydrophobic too. Look, you see that? Always got your corner first. Start wrapping my edge, especially this one. See, everybody always use a heat gun. I do it with this, and I'll come back with a blow dry or heat gun. We're gonna go ahead and wrap all these edges. And let's see if it wraps right away. And it does. Spray some more. Just soften it up. There's a little cold in there. And look, show them this stuff. Look, this stuff, guys. Look. See, this is the test. You want to test that. Look how stuck it is. So the adhesive is pretty good on this film. I'm not saying that because I'm testing it. I mean, we'll actually, want to know if this color PPF is really good. The last thing you want to do is put this on a car and then have, issue with just getting it to lay down. Same thing with this. And you want to use hot water. What it does is soften the film, so you can manipulate it and bend it. And see these little corners. Look, it's grabbing this little corner. You see that? And all you gotta do is just put some. You want to wait a little bit for these when you're hooking these corners, because you don't want to crawl back. Crawl back is when it'll pop back up on you. So just gonna cut it a little bit. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come back and torch it when it's dry, guys. Right here, Seth. I'm just gonna right here. I'm just following it with my hand. Making sure it's good. And then I'm gonna be careful because I'm actually gonna bend this a little bit more, just like that. But I wanna see how it works out right here. Pretty good. Okay, show them this set. Just cut it around and start pinning it. And I'm gonna open the door a little bit. Be careful when you open the door. You don't want to ruin your work. There you go. And this right here, I'm gonna try how to figure it out, how I'm gonna cut it. We're gonna put it down, but show them how all this film, like, just to work out that finger. And then you wanna cut it. I'm just testing the film because my thing is before I even buy color PPF. Always to test out. So I cut this a little bit shorter and bend it in. Okay, let's test out what it does over here. It's hydrophobic. Completely hydrophobic. Show them the detail right here. You got a towel? Give me a towel real quick. Let me wipe it. I want to show them this color on this. Okay. We got some water left behind that we have to address. That's why you gotta be really good at squeegeeing. And right now you can get it out. Show them that color. Show them the detail right here, how it's stuck. And all you gotta do is heat it up. Okay, show them this. On this side. So right here I gotta cut it a little bit more because there's no more metal. But look, it's stuck, guys. It's stuck. See? It's stuck really, really good. So I approve this PPF, guys. The glue is like my main thing. It's called Nanolink. So you want to reach out to these guys. Nice color. The film stick, and that is tips and tricks. Is it?